Most people dream of financial freedom, yet they avoid investing like it's a trap. Why? Is it fear, confusion, or just the stories we've been told all our lives? Imagine watching your money slowly grow without fear, but most never get there. Today, we're uncovering the real reasons why investing scares so many people, and what you can do to finally take control of your financial future. Welcome back to Money Mindset Lab, the place where we break down money, mindset, and wealth strategies into simple, actionable steps. If you're serious about growing your money and escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle, stay with me till the end, you won't regret it. Let's start with the number one reason. Fear of losing money. People see investing as gambling. They imagine the stock market crashing overnight and their savings disappearing. But here's the reality: risk is only dangerous if you don't plan. Proper research, diversification, and long-term strategies can drastically reduce losses. Think of investing as planting a tree. Overnight results aren't realistic, but over years, it grows steadily and reliably. Fear is natural, but letting it stop you from acting is what costs you the most. Second, lack of knowledge. Many think they need a finance degree to invest, but the basics are simple. Stocks, ETFs, mutual funds. Once you understand what each does, the rest becomes easier. Even 30 minutes a day reading beginner-friendly material can turn fear into confidence. Knowledge reduces uncertainty, and uncertainty is the root of fear. Third, past negative experiences. Maybe you invested once, lost money, and promised yourself never again. But one failed trade doesn't define your investing future. Every successful investor has failed at some point. The key is to analyze mistakes, adjust strategies, and keep moving forward. Fear rooted in the past can be managed if you focus on lessons, not losses. 4. Preference for comfort. People love keeping money in savings accounts or under the mattress because it feels safe. But comfort rarely grows wealth. True investing requires stepping out of that comfort zone. Remember, safe money often grows slower than inflation, so while you're comfortable, your money may actually be shrinking in value over time. Fifth, overthinking and analysis paralysis. Some spend months watching videos, reading blogs, and still do nothing. This is called analysis paralysis. No decision is worse than a calculated, imperfect decision. Start small, take action, and learn along the way. Action builds experience, and experience builds confidence. Sixth, influence of negative stories. Friends, family, or social media often share horror stories of investment losses. While caution is wise, fear shouldn't dominate your choices. Remember, one person's failure doesn't predict your outcome. Educate yourself, follow reliable sources, and make decisions based on facts, not fear-driven stories. 7. Lack of clear goals. Investing aimlessly is scary. It's like driving without a destination. When you define clear goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or creating passive income, investing becomes purposeful. Goals turn fear into motivation, giving your money a clear direction. 8. Short-term thinking. Many expect instant profits and get discouraged when it doesn't happen. Investing works best with a long-term mindset. Compounding is slow at first but unstoppable over years. Fear often arises when we chase fast wins instead of letting our money grow steadily. 9. Distrust of financial institutions. Some fear banks, brokers, or financial advisors. While scams exist, legitimate platforms have rules, insurance, and transparency. Avoiding investing because of fear of institutions means you miss opportunities to grow your wealth safely. Learn to identify red flags, and don't let fear of the system stop you. 10. Fear of complexity. People assume investing is complicated. The truth: modern apps and platforms allow anyone to start with just a few dollars. You don't need to understand every term. Learning as you go is perfectly fine. Complexity only intimidates. If you never take the first step, start simple, and build confidence gradually. Investing isn't about being fearless, it's about acting despite fear. Every expert investor started where you are, uncertain, cautious, and a little afraid. The difference: they acted anyway, learned consistently, and stayed patient. If this video gave you clarity, like it, subscribe to Money Mindset Lab, and hit the notification bell to never miss actionable money strategies. Share this with someone afraid of investing. It could change their financial future forever. Remember, fear is temporary, but wealth can last generations. Start today, take small steps, and watch your money grow. See you in the next video.